Y'all like this beautiful picture? You like it? You like it? Let's go see what my brother doing. I'm gonna tell him let's do this challenge right now. It's 9:05. I'm gonna ask him do you want to do the challenge right now. It's nighttime, but oh well. You ready to do the challenge, big butt?
What are you doing, son?
You ready to do the challenge?
What challenge, son? What are you doing?
The challenge.
Duck on my son right there.
Are you ready to do the challenge? He's so no, I'll give that to y'all, bro. I was saying, you ready to do the challenge?
Sure, son.
So after this, funny my video, how much time you have? Dang, 10 more minutes. Alright, so after this funny my video, we're doing a challenge, right? Right?
Yeah, I came in. Yeah, sure.
Right?
Huh? Watch out, kid.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get everything set up and then I got.
Alright, get out my room.
Alright, I'm gonna set up. By the way, we doing it. We're gonna do it on.
Bro, that table cricket.
I'm like setting up the table, but yeah. So, oh, I forgot to turn off the TV. Dang, you gotta do all that, son.
Yeah, right. Alright, son. Get on my room.
Look how he laying. So,
Okay, I can play.
don't worry about me. I gotta put my headband back on. I just took it off. You know, I'm buying me some more scarves, but my room. Let me show you how my room look, y'all. Like, I'm finna show y'all right now how my room look. Okay, so you first walk in. This what you see. Look at my bed. So my bed just all messed up. Look at this cords over there. Got shoes right there. You know, got my camera. I gotta get more batteries for my camera. Got my thing right here. I want to put it somewhere else. I want to put it somewhere different. So I think I gotta change my room around again just to make that Paris thing stand out. Remote TV is 907 now. Yeah, and then we got this on the floor. Got a freaking ball from the Nerf gun on the floor. That is clean clothes, by the way. I did not even touch that for a whole week. That is sad. So more slides, and then this over here is just straight. Like, I don't have no really problem with this. I'm just gonna fix it up a little bit and be more neater. To the closet. It's a towel, you know. I gotta wash my sheets and stuff. My bag. All this is not really dirty in my closet or whatnot. I do need to fix it up, you know. And here go my just do it sticker. I got another one. I gotta put it somewhere else, but yeah, y'all see how it look. But I don't wanna hold y'all no more else. No more. I said no more else. I ain't gonna hold y'all no more. I'm gonna just wait. There go my carpet. I ain't gonna hold y'all no longer. I'm just gonna let y'all get back to y'all and we do the challenge, okay? Alright, y'all. So I finally have my room done. You know, yeah, carpet clean. Let y'all know the carpet is clean. Oh yeah, let me show y'all the closet before I turn this light back on. You know, the closet. You know, shoes all the way right there. You know, straight Nike, by the way. You know. Just like 2 Adidas, the rest is Nike. All the way down that way. You know, got my dirty clothes basket. That's the box for my my MacBook. And then everything's clean right here. So, close that back. This is, you know, this is already done. All my Can't Choose stuff. All my little hygiene, whatever. Just do it. Mirror. And then yeah, so my thing right here. This all the stuff for the challenge we finna do in a minute. And then it's just my drawer and stuff. So it's clean, you guys. It's clean. It's clean, you guys, okay? It's clean. It's freaking clean. I love my headboard, but yeah, it's freaking clean, so yeah. Today we're doing a noise down challenge. I think I'm gonna win this challenge. So yeah, see, look, nose down noise down challenge. I keep saying nose. So
You got a big nose.
So the first thing we have, the first thing we have is hot chips. We're gonna have him go first. You want to screen record it?
Huh?
You want to screen record so they can see?
Sure, son. Alright!
You finna go first, nigga.
Okay,
We ain't started yet. Gotta show the camera. Sit up some more. Sit up some more. Don't start yet, nigga.
I'll put up a little bit so I know what to do.
See you cheating. Oh my god, you gotta open it and eat it. That's how you win. He lost, y'all, but. Okay, stop, because you're gonna make me lose. It's my turn. No, not yet. I'll be playing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
I got close, so I won that round.
Yeah.
I opened it.
He won that round, y'all. Next, ravioli.
What's up, son?
Oh my gosh. Alright, so we got alright, so I'm gonna put it like up some more because hold on, I'm gonna show the bottom. This one I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna show like that. Y'all just gonna see that.
How is that even possible?
Alright, y'all just gonna see this, okay? Cause like this is so funny. Alright, 1. You're cheating.
Right. I want again. I want.
See?
Oh no, wait, watch this. Watch this. Yeah, it fell.
It's my turn. Alright, come on, let's go. I gotta win something. I ain't win nothing yet.
Oh, I got farther than you.
Yeah, you got farther than me.
Hold on, wait. No, let's see.
It's the same. Look, y'all, it's the same.
It's a tie. So
It's a tie.
So I mean, I'll let you get that point since I'm above you.
Dang.
You go first. I'll call you go first.
You know, I'll
call you
like that.
I'll call you go first.
I'm so thirsty.
I'll call you go first.
I gotta go first.
Yeah, I'll call you go first.
Alright, hold on. We gotta put this up a little bit, bro. Stop playing! Alright, here you go.
Wow!
Yeah. He does the most. He's doing the most. Alright, this is the last. Hold on, I'm finna turn this down. he cheated. Nope, he cheated, y'all. He cheated. Alright, y'all. Make y'all see our faces. Alright, 1, 2. Wait till you done. I'm gonna wait till you done, y'all. Here, come on now. Excuse me. Ooh, excuse me. Okay. Alright, come on. Let's go. You cheated! He cheated! He cheated!
I do nothing. Why we buying this crap?
Alright. Okay, we're gonna do 2 tries. 2 tries, please.
Alright, bro.
2 tries.
It's like a 4th try, but okay. What is this on the wall, kid?
How am I gonna bend this? Javius.
Just bend it.
You just cheated.
Alright, that's the second time. You're cheating! Oh my fault.
He know what he doing. One rip. Alright, go ahead, bro. Just go on. Freaking head. Just go ahead. Go ahead. Go.
Pressure.
Keep eating. Go.
Resume. We got 2 tries.
I got a piece off. You
No.
did.
Let me get a piece off.
Alright, y'all.
We gotta do tiebreaker.
So what's gonna be the top? No, you won. I lost with the bag of chips. I lost with the raviolis. And we had a tie on the soda, that, and this. So basically you won.
So why win?
Nothing, you just won. He ain't win nothing, he just won. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, comment down below some more challenges we should do. There what other challenges we can make?
I don't know.
Well, y'all, we're gonna see another challenge we should do, y'all. So,
Who can stay in Fortnite lobby the longest?
Who can stay in the Fortnite lobby the longest? I want to do a, who can,
Who is that?
Y'all still lobby? Yeah, we almost done. I want to do a, what challenge was that?
Whoever's trying to do this and do one. Bye.
So, I don't know, y'all. What time should we do, Jay? I think the next challenge we should do is try not to talk to each other all day.
That's easy.
He says easy. So that's what we're gonna do, y'all. We're gonna try not to talk to each other. A relationship one. So it's a relationship one.
Which one? By who?
By-
Baby and Bianca?
Huh?
Baby and Bianca?
No, it was Jerry and Ken. What we're gonna do, we cannot talk to each other all day.
Alright, that's easy.
So we're gonna do that tomorrow?
Yeah.
Alright.